So to screen record your Galaxy Z Fold 7, simply swipe down from the upper right side of your screen to reveal the quick settings panel. And then this is where you have the shortcuts. So just drag that to reveal all the shortcuts. And in here, you should see screen recorder. So you can tap on that and then choose how you want to record. Do you want to include sound? If you're not, select none. If you want to only include media sound, or you want to also record your microphone for ambient sounds and maybe your voice, you can select whatever you want. And then you can choose whether you want to show taps and touches and then tap on start recording. After this 3-second timer, it's going to start recording. Now, currently it's recording everything I'm doing and everything I'm saying right now. Now, at the top here, you have this little menu. Now, sometimes it could be hidden like that, but if you just tap on it, it reveals itself, and you can use the pen to annotate and draw on your screen recording. You can bring up the front facing camera so that if you want to see yourself or you want to show yourself in the screen recording, you can just show yourself like that. You can turn that off at any time, and here you can pause and then continue recording, and when you're done you can finally stop. Now as soon as you stop, that recording gets saved into your gallery. So you can go to your gallery, and then this button here, if you tap on it and then select albums, you should see all your albums. Now if you don't see your recordings album, you just tap on view all, and then it's going to show all the albums, and you should see a screen recording album. This is where all your recordings are going to go. So let's have a look and maybe a listen. Now currently it's recording everything I'm doing and everything I'm saying right now. Now at the top here you have this little menu. Now sometimes it could be hidden. So that's the recording we just did. Now you can also record the cover screen. So if you go to the cover screen and that's what you want to record, just swipe down from the upper right side again and then scroll down to expand this, and then you should see screen recorder once again. You tap on it, the same options, start recording, 3-second timer as usual, and then now it's recording my cover screen. So I have all the similar options that I had in the inside screen, and when I'm done, just tap on stop. Again, that gets saved into the gallery. So let's have a look at our gallery. So this is our second screen recording, and I can tap on it and let's have a listen. So I have all the similar options that I had in. So that is basically how to record your screen, the screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. And if you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips. Good luck.